Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You should act now. Confirm your internet and try another site to rule out connectivity. Once done, update the YouTube app or your browser because outdated clients can break search features. Next, clear cache and cookies or the app cache. This removes corrupt data. Sign out of your account and sign back in, and then restart the device. These steps reset session and local state, so search can reinitialize correctly without waiting around. Now focus on the deeper causes. First, inspect account and device filters. Restricted mode, parental controls, or third-party content filters can hide search results. If those are clear, disable browser extensions or open an incognito window because extensions often block scripts YouTube needs. Also check your account status for strikes which limit visibility. Make sure region, language, and system clock are correct, since mismatches can affect search indexing and what content is returned. Finish by performing an aggressive reset. Uninstall and reinstall the YouTube app or create a fresh browser profile and sign in there. Once done, test search on another device and a different network to pinpoint whether the problem is local or account-wide. If it remains, gather details, device model, app or browser version, screenshots, exact steps, and report the issue through YouTube Help. If nothing changes, try removing account data briefly. This often clears lingering server flags that block search results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.